Today we are going to the gym to get some pump or exercise. So come with me. It is very hot here in Middle East, but it's fine. We're still going to the gym. Let's go. So we will take the bus going there because it is the cheapest way to get around the city. All right, so let's go. So today is Saturday. It's supposed to be my rest day, but who cares? We're going to the gym and get the pump. Let's go. It's a beautiful day and a hot sun, but what else can we ask for? Let's go to the gym and work on ourselves. Okay, lakad ulit. Walking in this blazing sun. Whew, too much of sun. We are here finally after a few minutes of blazing sun. Alright guys, we have made it to the gym. So ito, pahinga lang muna ako saglit and take my pre-workout, then we will go ahead and hit the weights. Okay, game. Today is anterior day or yung mga muscle na nasa harap. So let's do it. So yun lang, napagod na tayo, tapos uwi na, yun lang. Hindi ako nang gumalaw, you know.